What's poppin'? It's your girl Robin, and we're back at it again with another video. We're about to be getting into some things with this wig that was sent to me by Gorgius Wigs. They sent me this glueless bangs wig, and I washed it and conditioned it, and I'm just gonna put it on my head. We're gonna be doing different styles with it, so I didn't do any real pre-work on it, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So it has a little bit of parting space in the middle. You get that little piece of lace to make your little part behind your bangs. But yeah, I'm about to pop this on my head, and then we're gonna get ready to get into the first style. I think I'm gonna curl it first, so let's get into it. Also, by the way, I'm using this, oh my god, that almost just burned me. This is a curling iron that the clamp fell off, and I've just been using it as a wand. I don't even know what brand this is. Like, it's old. It's super duper old, but I'm gonna link a good curling iron that I think they have a wand that is the same brand. I think it's the Conair one. I'm gonna link it in my description box on my Amazon storefront so you guys can get something similar. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a 1-inch barrel, and I'm just gonna be throwing some curls into it, and I'm gonna be using this thermal glove that I got from Amazon as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. Why do I look so punk rock? So this is what the wig looks like on. It's just washed and blow dried, so I haven't done anything to it yet. I'm gonna be using the Red by Kiss wax stick and my Tresemme spray to flatten this out and get the part like popping, because I want the part to be pronounced. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to straighten the bang part, add a little bump to it, make it look cute, and then we're going to curl the rest of the hair. Guys, so this is style 1. I just went ahead and put some wand curls into the hair, and it curled pretty nice. Like, it looks really cute. So for style 2, I want to still keep the curls in the hair, and I think I want to do like a fishtail braid. So guys, if you guys don't know how to do a fishtail braid, like I don't know how to do one, go ahead and look at a video. This is the video that I looked at to teach me, and she kind of broke it down. But yeah, guys, I'm not going to be explaining it because I don't really know what I'm doing, and I learned how to fishtail just to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and put the braid in, and that's going to be our second style.
Hey, I don't cop things for resale, don't do iCloud, don't do email. Feds wanna top up, man, and wild, man, like Chubbs did detail. Back when Ricky was doing up Teasdale, I was doing dinner with Teasy. I didn't trust no one, so I got line, niggas got too breezy. Nico never move Nike, sweatsuit Nike, sweatsuit DG. If man get beaky, ring, call up GG, throw him up neatly. Used to look up to a man from certain ends with tune on repeat. Thought he was a bad boy then till man got pinched and man went PC. Man went PC just like Dell and Windows, some man Bendos. Before I was ever around Kendos, I was in Enzo, dreaming up Enzos. The woman I do end up with has to be a backyard just like Munchie. Can't have no pretentious thing when I know this road gets bumpy. Word to the broski J, he got different names in different countries. 3 whaps on a whip and we beat that case where man live way too comfy. I don't do well with people making disses and making threats. Warrior man got flown like private jets for way less.
Alright, you guys, this is the next style. I just put the fishtail, and I didn't have the patience to braid it all the way down, guys, because I know I'm about to take it out. But I want to see if I can do an updo, because I'm supposed to be doing a total of 4 styles. That's the goal. It's gonna be difficult because the tracks do show, but I'm gonna try to cover it. So
like the Cody's press, I don't keep no pasta. Link with Skull and cousin Jamie and y'all, we dep on Gaza. Pasha, Sasha, pissed I was way too young at the time for slashes. You niggas spend too much time on captions, not enough time on action. Pick one man with slaps that's rapping, I bet he don't want no clashes. The LV pouch on chest is just for fashion, niggas just acting. Are you dumb and stupid? The wheels on the roses, chromas, headshot domas. Just checked in at a hotel floor that we on, got potent aromas. OVO XO link up, man, them drink up, me and the drillers.
all right, y'all, so for the very last style, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten the hair so you guys can see how it looks in its sleek state. I'm gonna straighten this side off camera, and I'm gonna show you guys how I press this side out, and then we'll get into the final thoughts.
Game I do, man, 30, man, I get 2 times. To me, that's just our side. I don't really care who rides on whose side. Bring 10 shots to the poolside. Never seen none of these grown men outside. 4301, won't spare no one. Niggas gotta know about Southside. Stepping out of line, get outline. And you know I'm tired of stateside. Bring a man down when it takes sides. Trying to get safe by the belt like Bayside. Prince, I carry that last name. That shit stays on me like brand names. Jazz just lined up brand new hantings. In nice guy on my team. Everyone I know has code names. Anyone I'm beefing with is a no name. Niggas can't even win home games. They just gotta fall in line like Soul Train. Hey. Yeah.
Guys, and this is the final style. I just went ahead and sleeked the hair right out so you guys could see what it looks like. Y'all, this is so cute. Look, please look at this. I am internally screaming. This looks so nice, and it's super silky, y'all. I didn't put much product in the hair at all. I put a little bit of Sebastian Shaper, and I think I probably used some of my Tresemme spray while I was curling after I was letting the curls go. But this is no product, no oil, nothing. Oh my God, guys, this hair is so silky. This hair is so cute. Y'all, I love this wig. I think this is going to be my wig for a minute because it's super low maintenance. I didn't have to glue anything down. It's 100% glueless. It has an elastic band in the back, so it fits really snug on the head. And you could take it off and pop it right back on. Y'all, I live. Yo, this is so cute. I love bangs, and it was so easy. I didn't do any cutting. I didn't have to do anything to this wig. All I did was I did bleach the knot on this part, which you really don't have to do. I was just being extra, but this hair is bomb. Like, this hair is super bomb. It's not super thick, and for a bang wig, I don't like that much density. Like, it's the perfect thickness. It's not thin by any means, but it is like a natural density. It lays really flat. The bangs are like perfect. Like I said, I didn't have to cut anything, and they have like the face framing layers on the side. Guys, this is perfect. Gorgeous wigs. This wig is gorgeous, like literally. I don't really have any cons to this hair. Like, I was skeptical at first, but I definitely recommend this wig for anybody who wants a super low maintenance easy wig. If you're over the lace, if you're over all the glue, definitely check this out, because you can put this on, wear it all day, take it off, get to your scalp, oil your scalp, treat your hair, do whatever you want to do, and then put your wig right back on. Like, after I'm done filming this, I'm literally going to take this wig right off, and then tomorrow when I wake up, I'm gonna put it right back on. So this is perfect for my low maintenance girlies that don't want to do too much. You want something easy and quick and real fly and go. You don't have to mess with no glue, mess with no lace. This is for you. So guys, if you want to go ahead and purchase this wig, go ahead and check out the description box below. Gorgeous Wigs, thank you so much for sponsoring this video, and if you guys enjoyed it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next one.